Hello students, good morning to all. In the lockdown period, we have discussed the poem number 1, 2 and 5. Today in this class, we will discuss the question answers of poem number 1, The Noble Nature. What is the homework for the students? All the students will do the question answers in notebook, especially fair notebook, and send the work between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. on my personal WhatsApp number. I hope that you all are safe at your homes and taking all kinds of precautions and fighting against the pandemic COVID-19. Now we are going to start the question answers of the poem The Noble Nature. The students who have joined later or new, okay, this poem will be discussed in the revision period. Today we are going to discuss the question answers, and the question answer will also give the clue and help to understand the poem. Now listen carefully. The first question for the students in the poem The Noble Nature: what symbols does Ben Jonson draw from nature? कौन से दो सिंबल पोइट ने नेचर से लिए हैं? द आंसर इज द पोइट हैज टेकन टू डिफरेंट सिंबल्स फ्रॉम द नेचर. फर्स्ट वन, द ओक ट्री that lives a very long life of 300 years, and that is the symbol of long but worthless life. The second one, the flower of lily that lives the life of only one day, but the flower is the symbol of short but meaningful life. This is the answer of the question number 1 for you. Now we are moving to the second question for the students. Mention the qualities of an oak. What are the features of the oak tree? Okay, now listen the answer. The oak tree lives a very long life of 300 years, but in this long period it doesn't provide anything to anyone. It doesn't provide any kind of flowers or fruits to anyone. That's why the tree is the symbol of long but meaningless life. In the long period of 300 years, the tree is not able to achieve the goal of the life, the motive of the life, the target of the life, the aim of the life. Clear? And in the end, it falls like a log, completely dry, completely withered and without leaves. This is the answer for the second question. Now we are moving to the third question. How does a lily of a day impress us? It means what are the features of the flower of lily? Clear? The answer is the flower of lily lives a very short life of one day. But in this short span of life, span means period, but in this short period of life, the flower achieves the target of the life. It provides joy and happiness to every beholder. Beholder especially उसको जो देखने वाला है. The people enjoys the beauty of the flower. The people enjoy the fragrance, in Hindi खुशबू, the fragrance of the flower. In this way, the flower achieves the target of the life. What is the target of the life of a flower? To give happiness to others, and the flower of lily achieves it only in the short period of one day. The flower is the symbol of short but meaningful life. Now we are moving to the fourth question. How can human life be perfect according to the poem? Which life can be expressed as a perfect life? कौन सा लाइफ परफेक्ट हो सकता है? The answer is, according to the poet, long life is not the guarantee of a great life. Okay, the life is not measured in years. जीवन का जो मेजरमेंट है वो ईयर्स से नहीं होता है. A short life may be also a perfect life, but what is the condition for that? The life should be full of great deeds, great thinking, noble thinking, sacrifices, inspiration, motivation, guidance, achievements, etc. Such life can be expressed as a perfect life. There are 4 questions in the poem, but आप सभी को एक क्वेश्चन और ऐड करना है. And what is the 5th question? What is the theme of the poem? Okay, this is the 5th question for you. What is the theme of the poem? What is the message of the poem? What is the central idea of the poem? Yes, now listen the answer. According to the poet, long life is not the guarantee of a great life. A short life may be also a perfect life. Life is not measured in years, but measured on the basis of your great deeds, great thoughts, your achievements, your sacrifices, your inspiration, your motivation, your guidance, etc. It means a short life may be also a perfect life. Clear? This is the theme of the poem. Clear? The poet has explained his views by taking 2 different examples from the nature, the oak tree and the flower of lily. That's all for today. Have a nice day.